Hi. In this video we will see the difference between Java and .NET. Have a nice time watching this video. Hope it will be helpful for all. Thanks so much for watching the video.
Hi, I am .NET. I am developed by Microsoft Corporation. I am capable of producing high-end applications. I am Java. I am lightweight language and can be run on almost all the OS. Lightweight doesn't mean that it has less capability than .NET. .NET needs a very heavy framework to be installed which have higher hardware requirements to compared to Java. C# is the most popular language of .NET. The main reason why many programmers dominate .NET is because maximum things that you need to achieve manually in Java are already provided by .NET framework automatically. The .NET garbage collector does not wipe away your objects as and when it likes, but will do the garbage collection in more efficient manner than Java. Also, for .NET a standard development tool is available that is Microsoft Visual Studio. This tool computerizes of all the things you require for your development purpose. So, in my opinion, if you are going for Windows programming and having quite a smart hardware, then go for Microsoft .NET. Otherwise, if you need multiple OS solution, then use Java. Lightweight doesn't mean that it has less capability than .NET, rather it means that it do not trigger the computer with lots of load and hard disk space. Basically in Java it has been up to the programmer to clean the memory manually, whereas this task is moreover automated in .NET. Java has a major advantage that it can be run on any OS which is able to install JVM. This is a major disadvantage with .NET. Java has no such standard tool available as in .NET IDE, although many third-party IDE are available. If the application is in Java, then it can be hosted on any OS. It supports web server including Windows. Java is an object-oriented programming language, which is translated into a platform-independent language called bytecode and executed by the Java virtual machine. If you distribute Java applications, most users can run them without having to install any third-party applications. .NET applications will run on all Windows machines regardless of the underlying hardware. .NET applications will not automatically run on Linux or Mac.
I hope now the difference between Java and .NET is clear to you. I hope this video was very helpful to all of you. I hope you would have enjoyed watching this video. Bye bye.